many people already know about the announcement that I'm going to do. It was already been promoted in the group from past maybe 1 week or 15 days. And you already know that, petrol, diesel prices are in the, peak. Yes or no? Many people might be planning for a cycle also very soon, right? Car, bike, marandu. 5-10 gears to the cycle, right? So, and let me tell you guys, petrol prices hike affects many industries. You might be thinking, sir, I don't have bike, sir. Sir, in my home, no car only. Right? So it is not going to affect me. But let me tell you, the tomato, you eat food, na? Right? You use tomato, you use, all those things. That if it has to reach your home, it has to, travel many places. And for that, people who make it reach to your home use fuel. You may not be using it directly. Indirectly, when fuel cost increases, you have to pay the price. And nowadays, the biggest and very easily, seen hike is the edible oil price. Yes, we have seen I think the highest hike I have seen in the edible oil with that rate, per liter, as far as I've seen the recent, before Vestige, I was using sunflower oil from, I think, Fortune, right? It was around 120 rupees per liter, I remember. And recently when I went, and after knowing about this hike of oil price, I just went and checked regarding what's the price. I was shocked to see per liter 40 to 50 rupees hike they have seen. Per liter, 40 to 50 rupees hike has been made. Do you all realize? Yes or no? Type yes in the chat box if you all agree. Coconut oil, I know while doing home meetings, I've come across people who paid 240 rupees for 1 liter of coconut oil. 240 rupees. So many people know it. Per liter, 40 to 50 rupees. Let me tell you, in the last 1 month, Vestige has even tried a lot not to increase the price. Right? They have little adjusted with the PVs and they tried that. But guys, petrol prices, it is going with the, 7th, 8th gear, and we're not able to compensate with that. Right? But one of the things that was happened was we came to know while seeing the catalog. I don't know how many people observe catalog. We observe many things. We had seen the price of the, per liter, if Vestige also increases 50 rupees, which everybody has to increase, right? How much should be the price of our rice bran oil? It was already 395, considers 400 for 2 liter. If per liter 50 rupees increase, which is nominal, what should be the rice bran oil cost? Catalog ಯಾರೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿದಿರಾ? 500. Catalog ನೋಡಿದವರು ನೋಡಿರಬಹುದು 510. But I have a good news. Catalog ನೋಡಿದವರು ನೋಡಿರಬಹುದು 510 ಇದೆ sir price already we have seen, right? Superb. But let me tell you good news. What we have got is yesterday we have got the posters. We have not promoted it so that it should be promoted in the right way. I'll share you the screen. And the new prices of the rice bran oil is not 510, it's just 450. For 2 liter, spirulina is free. That means how much? 350 rupees is your profit. Still, you have an option to convert that as an opportunity, right? Still, you have an option. Today night also, you have 8 rice bran oils. Let me tell you, it will go like like anything, right? Utilize that offer. That offer is there for tomorrow. 8 rice bran oils, 301, 3,160. You'll be getting a spirulina free, and that is only applicable for online orders. Don't disturb your DLCP member, sir. Akash sir told spirulina free sigala. Okay. Now, sir, how to promote it? How to tell it usually? Sir, you don't have to worry because the quality of our oil is so good, right? What we say while promoting the oil is, sir, 3 liter of your sunflower oil or any other chemically refined oil, our 2 liter of Vestige, rice bran oil is enough. Yes or no? Yes or no? I'll teach you simple mathematics, right? Simple. You have got many videos also where people have shown that, sir, before we used to use 4 liter of oil, but here only 2.5 liters, maximum 3 liters is enough. We are not using the equal amount of the oils that we used to use before. Superb. I'll do a simple calculation, sir. 170 rupees is the price of your sunflower oil. Okay, right? 170 rupees. How much is 170 into 3? For 3 liter of sunflower oil, how much you would have paid per month? 510. 170 into 3, 170 into 3, 510, correct? So instead of 3 liter of sunflower oil, Vestige, how much liter is enough? 2 liter is enough. How much you are paying in Vestige for 2 liters? 450. Sir, 60 rupees still inside your pocket only, no? 60 rupees still you are saving from, buying from Vestige. I am not even considering your cashbacks. I'm not even considering the free products that you get. I'm not even considering, the extra benefits that you get from Vestige on every month basis. Forget about that. PVs, I've not even concluded that. I'm talking logic. I'm talking because many people here might be thinking, sir, I had many customers, sir, rice bran oil. Don't worry, no problem. You just have to share the right information. Where every company has increased per liter, 50 rupees. We have increased for 2 liters, we have increased only 50 rupees. And sir, if you are using 3 liter of your oil, 2 liter of our oil is sufficient. Use it for 1 month. Next month, you will only ask us. That confidence is what is important. People always buy your confidence, not your product, right? I hope you have understood. Any doubts, guys? If any doubts, clear it here only. I hope it's clear. What are the offers we can use? But spirulina is free. Get it done. Order it today. 8 rice bran oils, right? Still, Udupi, you can come to Udupi or Mangalore. I don't know how many stocks are there. You can go there and you can ask them old stock, how many stock points are available, how many oil is available. You can get your oils done yesterday, tomorrow itself. Okay, so guys, that's all. I don't want to proceed much, and everybody promote Saturday event very well, right? It should be jam packed once again, right? Striker Teja sir, a person from Andhra Pradesh, I think sir has already told, make sure maximum people from your team are attending that session, okay, and utilize the best. Okay, so